Hey guys, it's Shane here from AwakeFX. I want to welcome you to this trading video. In this one, I'm going to teach you about how to set up the best Fibonacci settings on your MT4 Metatrader 4 platform and Tradingview. I'll show you exactly how to set up the settings, and also I'll show you some chart examples of Fibonacci in use for both entries and exits. I use it as part of my own trading strategy. It's a fantastic tool. So let's have a look at the charts and get to the lesson. Okay guys, so we're looking at a Eurodollar 5-minute chart here, and this is the MetaTrader 4 platform that we are looking at. Now usually I always work on the TradingView charting platform, but I'm going to show you how to set up your trading Fibonacci levels on the Fibonacci tool on MetaTrader 4 here first, okay? And then after this we'll show you the TradingView chart and how I do it there and how I set up my settings. So first of all, in the top left here, you can see this little letter F and these little lines. You click on that, that's your Fibonacci tool, and you'll see it kind of on your mouse when you move it onto the screen. So if I click the left button on my mouse down and hold it and pull it down, 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 down. Okay, let's say to this swing low here. You can see these different levels. Okay, so at the top we've the 100% level, then the 61.8, 50%, 38.2, 23.6, and 0. So these are the standard Fibonacci levels that you would have on your MetaTrader 4 chart. So in order to change them or amend them, you double click until you see the Fibonacci tool highlighted, and you right click on it and click Fibo properties. So in here it shows you all the different levels and the description of the level that are currently on the chart. So the first thing I do here is I delete levels I don't want. So I don't want this 23.6, 38.2. So I'm going to remove them. So you just click on 23.6 and then click the word delete. That's gone. Then you can also delete the 38.2 that's highlighted. We don't need that. Delete. So now you're left with 0, 50, 61.8, 100, and it has some other levels in here, 161.8. So we'll just delete that. Delete all of them. So we only have 0, 50, 61.8, and 100. Now I want to amend the 61.8. See the way it says 0.618 level? If I double click there, we're just going to change that to 0.62. And on the description, double click there, just write 62. Okay. And then we're going to click the word add. So we're going to add a new one down here. And this is minus 0.23. And in description, double click, you can write minus 0.23. Okay. And then we add another one, minus 0.5. And under the description, minus 0.5. Then we add another one, minus 1, like just the number 1, and under description, minus 1. And then we're going to click OK. Now, what you can do here is you can actually change the color. So I like to change it to a dark color. So I've just changed mine to blue. If you just click this drop down style, just take blue and then click OK. And you can see now how they have changed. So from the swing high here, 100% level, down to the swing low, the 0% level. See the way we can drag it down. So from that swing high to the swing low, we had a move back up to which level? 50%. That's the halfway back. Price moved from there. Where did it go to? First location, your minus 0.23% level. The next destination down here, minus 0.5. And then it went all the way down here to minus 1. So these are important levels where you can enter trades, but then these extensions, the minus 0.23, minus 0.5, and minus 1, they can be used as targets for trades you might have entered around the 50% level. For example, if I drag from this high all the way down to this swing point low down here, where do you see the magic in this? Where did price move back to? Yes, you got it. 50% level. Where did price go to? minus 0.23% level here. So you see how these can be used as entries and potential exits in your trade. Now previously, I think I only showed on my last YouTube video on Fibonacci, I didn't have this minus 23%. I think I just had the minus 50. So you can see price did go to the minus 50. And then it also went to minus 1 down here below. So this is for short trading. So whenever you set up your Fibonacci level like this, even if you delete it and you go back to Fibonacci, you click on it again, it will remember the settings which you have changed. So that's MetaTrader 4, guys. What we're going to do now, we're going to have a look at Tradingview. So let's have a look at our Tradingview chart. So now we're on our Tradingview chart. I have my drawing tools down here at the bottom. Okay. That can be moved anywhere around your chart. And your Fibonacci is this icon here, Fib retracement. Or you can see it on the left-hand side here. See this one, Fib retracement. You click on that, and then you click on the chart, and your mouse, if you lift your mouse up, it'll show you all your different levels. So let's have a look at this. If we double click, these are levels that I have on the chart. Sometimes I use 0.22, 0.23, either or, that's okay. So if you want to just look at this under style and just copy what I have here. So we got 1 minus 0.5. These are the colors I have, green. You can click and change the colors of the levels here to whichever you prefer. 1 minus 0.5 minus 1. Then over here, minus 0.23, 0, 0.5, 0.62. I have clicked on extend lines right. If you don't click on that, it makes it quite short and you have to kind of drag it across like this. So if I double click again, I like to extend lines right. And trend line is this kind of dotted line moving up. So I have it set to blue, and then click on this. I have a dashed line. My level lines, if you click on this here, it's the second one. If you click bigger ones, it makes them more bold. It's a bit too bold. I think the second one is good enough. So that's my settings there for a Tradingview. And similarly, once you save the settings once, it's always like that every time you go back. So let's have a look then at the chart. This is the most recent chart, actually today. Let's see how you can use your Fibonacci here as a potential entry and exit points. So at this absolute swing high up here, if I pull my Fibonacci from this absolute high to this swing low, price came in where? To the 50% level. I actually prefer Tradingview because you can mark the colors where it's all one color in MetaTrader 4, whereas here you can have different colors. So I like to use that kind of orange color for my 50%, so it's very obvious. So price moved down, pull back to the 50, moved down here nearly, and then here we hit the minus 23% level. Then we went to the minus 50, then we went to the minus 100 or 1%, minus 1. Okay, so you can see then if I pull from the absolute high down to this swing low point here, what happened after that? Price came up, hit the 50% level, bounced, tested it 3 times. Then where did price go? We hit the minus 23%. Did we get down this far? Yes, exactly. See, minus 50%. And then we went all the way down to minus 100. So these are very key levels to have in your chart. Fibonacci is a fantastic tool. I've been trading for about 12 years now, and I use Fibonacci. I use my own concepts. More recently, I've got involved with ICT concepts. But prior to even coming across ICT, Inner Circle Trader, I use Fibonacci a lot in my trading. So, but using Fibonacci plus other tools for entry and exit can make this very, very powerful. So that's how you set up your Fibonacci tool. Hope that makes sense, guys. If you have any questions, pop them down below in the comments. If you did find the video helpful, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe, write a comment down below, and wish you all a really, really good trading day. And thanks very much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.